Welcome to Grafted in Him, to this section, Times of Restoration. My name is Ashley Sellers, and today in episode 12, we are going to be talking about a specific topic that's a little bit related. It is related to the thyroid topic that I was talking about last week, and it is people with thyroid weakness often have weak adrenal glands. Like I had explained in the video before this one, episode 11, the thyroid isn't just, we can't look at the thyroid on its own. It is connected, it affects, and it influences your adrenals and all of your endocrine system. And it definitely influences all of our metabolic function. So it is important to understand that so that we can understand our bodies better. If we see it on its own, we're not going to get answers and we're not going to be able to find healing and support. So our thyroid is connected to our adrenal glands. They are both part of the endocrine system, like I said. These two glands work together to supply essential hormones to support our metabolism and regulate many of our bodily functions. Supporting your adrenals is also an important part of healing your metabolism and your thyroid. So I want to give you 3 quick little tips that you can start practicing every day so that you can find support during your healing process. It doesn't matter if you're starting to feel symptoms and you're going through testing right now, or you just got your medications. Whatever it is, you can start practicing these quick little tips so that you can find some support during your journey. So number 1, learning to manage stress. Super important to manage our stress. One of the biggest things that affects our health as women, especially in the United States, the percentage is super high, is stress. Okay, it's not even sometimes like the way that we eat. It's our lifestyle in general combined with the way that we eat. That stress that we carry on our shoulders all the time is going to affect our health. Sometimes people, no, it doesn't, it just affect your mental health. No, it does affect your health. So learning to manage stress is very important. And number 2, learning to rest. Sleep is so important, you guys. When I don't get enough sleep, it's not just my mood that's off, but like I just can't even sometimes like think. So sleeping, resting is super important, and having that balance in your life where you're taking that time where you don't work. You can take some time to just lay down and be with family and take that time to just be by yourself with our Father and pray and read and rest your thoughts and your heart in Him. That makes such a huge difference, and it's so important to do on a daily basis. So that's number 2. Number 3, learning to trust that everything will work out according to the Eternal's plan. Super important. No matter what, the Father has everything under control, and everything will always work out to His plan because His plan is perfect for us. And learning that doesn't matter what you're going through with your health, there is an answer, there is a solution, and you're not going through a sickness or a condition because He wants that for you. It's important. I want you to understand that God does not want us to be sick. That's not His design from the beginning. He wants us to be healthy. That's why from the beginning He told Adam and Eve what to eat, because He wanted to make sure that we were healthy. We saw when Jesus was here, He healed so many people because His purpose, His plan is not for us to be sick. Okay, so don't take it as this is a trial. No, take it as, let me take responsibility. What am I doing? What am I not doing? What am I doing wrong? What things do I need to watch for myself? Which is why I love iridology so much, because it looks into what's specific for you, for your needs, for your body, according to your genetics, which is something that no one can change. No one can change your DNA. No one can change your genetics. No one can change your biology, your composition. No one can change that. So according to that, what do you need? What does your body need? What do you need to support your body with? So I feel like iridology is something that it's a science and it's wisdom from God, because it's so specific, and not everyone is the same, okay? So I want you to understand that whatever health condition you're going through, that's not his plan. You can take control of that and change that for yourself and for your generations. Okay, so I hope this short video was of value to you, and I will see you on the next episode. Shalom.